Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, unique and stylish in itself, and on your massive requests, on your higher level of volumetric level of choice, I have decided to make today's video. That is, I have reached to the point where we could communicate with each other through our comment section, and you let me know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you. So friends, I hope that you have guessed it right. My today's video collection is absolutely about amazing, stylish, trendy and beautiful designer style hand embroidery dress design ideas, hand embroidery neckline design ideas, kurti neckline design ideas, and all of these design ideas are totally beautiful, and all of them are totally based on one single hand embroidery stitch, that is Gujarati silai or Gujarati jammer or Sindhi embroidery or kutch work. These are the different names that have been termed for a single pattern of hand embroidery ideas that is being shared with you. So if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, by using these very beautiful design ideas of kutch work, Gujarati silai, you can design your summer outfits, midsummer outfits and winter outfits as well. You can pair up your kurtis along with churidar dupattas, along with chiffon, crinkle, beautiful colorful radiant dupattas, or along with your shawls if you are going with the winter stuff. And you can also make these patterns onto your denim shirts, onto your short skirts or kurtis that could be paired up along with jeans, tights, or some tight cigarette pants or capri trousers. I hope that my today's video was beautiful, creative and informative for you. If you really like my today's ideas, then don't forget to leave comments below and like my video, and stay tuned for my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, trending and stylish ideas for designing your beautiful designer style dresses at a very low cost of design ideas by sitting at your home and by just watching my videos. Jazakallah for watching. Meet you soon with a new video with some new design ideas.